Agriculture is known to be one of the most significant economic activities. It involves the production of plants, livestock, fiber, fuel, and more by utilizing natural resources such as water and land. Agricultural sector is also one of the largest employers across the world, mainly in developing and underdeveloped nations. Millions of people around the world, directly or indirectly, depend on agricultural sector for their livelihood. Agriculture is considered to be the basis of country's development. With the advancement in technology, agriculture has come a long way. It is not just a source of livelihood in India, but a way of life. As Booker T. Washington once said, no race can prosper till it learns. There is as much dignity in tilling a field as in writing a poem. Agriculture is thus an integral part of the country.
Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of India. Kerala shares its state borders with Tamil Nadu on the east and Karnataka on the north. It is flanked by the Arabian Sea on the west. Kerala, which lies in tropic region, is mostly subject to the type of humid tropic wet climate experienced by most of the earth rainforest. The most essential or the staple crop is the rice or the paddy. Other cash crops that constitute the agriculture sector include tea, coffee, cashew, pulses, arecanut, ginger, and coconut. Himachal Pradesh is a state in the northern part of India. It is situated in the western Himalayas and it is one of the 11 mountain states. It varies from hot and subhumid tropic in the southern low tracts, warm and temperate, cool and temperate as cold, alpine and glaciers in the northern and eastern high mountain ranges. The chief food crop cultivated in agriculture in Himachal Pradesh include wheat, maize, rice, barley, sweet potato, ginger, vegetable seed, etc. Himachal Pradesh is also known as Apple State of India for its large-scale production of fruits.
Popularly known as the Devbhoomi, land of gods, Himachal Pradesh is a beautiful hill state in India, nestles in the northwest region of western Himalayas. The state is landlocked with the Tibetan Plateau to the east, Jammu and Kashmir to the north, and Punjab to the west. However, the state stands apart from its neighbors in terms of its sheer topographic diversity and breathtaking, pristine natural beauty, from vast tracts to high-altitude trans-Himalayan desert to dense green deodar forest, from apple orchards to cultivated terraces, from snow-capped high Himalayan mountains ranges to snow-fed lakes and gushing rivers. Kerala, India's most advanced society, with 100% literacy, world-class healthcare systems, India's lowest infant mortality and highest life expectancy rates, the highest physical quality of life in India, peaceful and pristine. Kerala is India's cleanest state. With the Arabian Sea in the west, the Western Ghats towering 500 to 2,700 meters in the east, and networked by 44 rivers, Kerala enjoys diverse geographical features. Kerala is divided into 3 geographical regions: highlands, which slope down from the Western Ghats onto the midlands of undulating hills and valleys into an unbroken coastline with many picturesque backwaters interconnected by canals and rivers. The Western Ghats are nowhere more than 120 km from the sea.
Himachal Pradesh is also known as the Apple State of India for its large-scale production of fruits. Maize is one of the most versatile emerging crop, having wider adaptability under varied agroclimatic conditions. The state Himachal Pradesh contributes 4.4% of production of maize. Maize can be grown successfully in variety of soil ranging from loamy sand to clay loam. Soil with organic matter content having high water holding capacity with neutral pH are considered good for higher productivity. Maize has three growing seasons, namely Kharif, Rabi, and Spring. Kharif season is most important season, covering around 80% of total area of maize. It requires temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall is suitable for its cultivation. Alternate spells of rain and sunny weather are ideal for maize cultivation. It grows well in alluvial and red soil with good drainage. The most common crops grown in Kerala include rice. In addition to rice, the other crops grown in Kerala are tea, coffee, spices such as black pepper and cardamom. Rice can be cultivated under a variety of climate and soil conditions. Rice cultivation is conditioned by temperature parameters at different phases of growth. The critical mean temperature for flowering and fertilization ranges from 10 to 200 Celsius, and during ripening the range is from 18 to 320 Celsius. Temperature beyond 350 Celsius affect the grain filling. Rice grows well in different soil types. In general, rice can be grown as transplanted or direct sown during different seasons depending on the agroclimatic situation.
In Himachal Pradesh, Lohri is an important festival. Lohri is celebrated during winter in the gorgeous shades of Himachal Pradesh. Lohri is also known as Maghi festival as it is usually celebrated in the month of Magh. Popcorn puff trays and sweets are thrown into the flames of the bonfire as offering to the god in the hopes of a rich harvest. It is believed by the locals that Lord Krishna manifests himself at Lohri to listen to their wishes and bless them. A visit to Himachal Pradesh during this time brings you across people carrying wild smiles and wearing traditional costumes. In Kerala, Onam is a 10-day harvest festival celebrated in Kerala in the month of August-September. The floors are decorated with flower designs. There are dances for celebration and a snake boat race, Armila boat race, contest called Malamkali is also carried out. The 10th or the last day of Onam is said to be most important and is one of the most popular manifestation of Kerala culture of Kerala.
The art form of Himachal Pradesh. Cane and bamboo are the two most commonly used materials in daily life in Himachal Pradesh. No mechanical devices are used in the craft, which is mainly a household industry. Besides basket weaving, bamboo is used chiefly in the construction of houses and fencing. The craft traditionally provides part-time employment to cultivators in the lean season, although increasingly full-time artisans engaged in commercial activity can be found now. The art form of Kerala. Screw pine craft of Kerala is the craft of making different types of mats and wall hangings using the leaves of screw pine plant as practiced by artisans in Kerala. Weaving of mats using leaves of the screw pine plants is a craft practiced mostly by women in Kerala. The mats produced by screw pine has a significant role in traditional customs of Kerala.
After seeing this documentary, we can conclude that agriculture is an important part of India. It is known as the backbone of our economy. As it is important for our country's development, agriculture in India mainly depends on soil, rainfall, temperature, etc. Majority of the population in India is engaged in agriculture and their life depends on it. There are climatic variations from north to south, which in turn results in the agricultural variations. Other than this, there are regional and cultural variations too. But despite all of these diversities, the Indian feel a sense of oneness and will continue to be united.